Hey guys, it's Apips together. Today we'll be analyzing the charts, we're analyzing the market together. So I want to show you guys same way, same analysis, same thing, and how it plays out. This is Monday, and let's watch out for this trade. This is on GBP JPY. So like I said, the first thing you do when you go on your charts before you start any analysis, go to a higher time frame like a weekly and try to identify the support and resistance zone on it. So let's do it together. So it's very simple, same thing we've been doing, same thing. So just you can see also support and resistance zone, the place it had more touches. So from here I can see the price has so many touches from this point here, from this point here. See the price have so many touches from this point. Yeah, so that's one. You can still see underneath this one here. You can see the price has some touches here. Price has some touches here as well. You could see it. Yep. And also try to make your charts very slim so you could see the whole places where you can see their touches. So let's go here again. We can still see from here on this side from here we could see price also have some touches on this side as well. And some touches on this side as well. So all right, okay. So what do we do next? We go to a lower time frame like the daily time frame. We go to a daily time frame and still try to identify the supports and resistance on the daily time frame as well. So from the daily we can see price has more touches on this zone. Has more touches on this zone here, so can still be a little bit extended though. Where else can we see more touches on price? I think this zone here, price has touches on this zone up here. So let's identify that as well. Let's identify that as well. Good. So what next? We go to a lower time frame as well, like the 4 hours. Boom. On to the next 4 hours time frame. Let's go. So we can see our chart now. We could see everything. Then let's see if we could identify another support and resistance zone from the 4 hours. There we go. Yeah, there is. You can still see price has some touches over here this one here. So let's just try it out slightly. Make sure it's touching those zones. Boom. Good. I think we're done. Let me go to the 1 hour and see if there's still more on the 1 hour. Yes, there is. There's a zone on the 1 hour. We can still see it. Yeah, we can still see zone up here on the 1 hour. We can still see a load zone in the 1 hour from here. We can still see some delay zone from here. Perfect. Perfect. So now you can always see the next thing you do, you identify the trends of the market. Identify the trend of the market. So let's go back to the higher time frame. What is the trend from the higher time frame? From the weekly time frame, we can see the overall trend is bullish. The overall trend is bullish. So you have to identify the trend. You draw your trend line from this point where you see the lowest, and then this. This is a weekly trend line showing you that the overall trend of the market is what? Bullish. So we go to the next daily time frame. Try to identify the trend as well in the daily time frame. Same thing. The trend is still showing the same thing. Bullish. The trend is still bullish. So you can decide to draw your trend line from here to the next one. You can decide to draw from here to here. So the trend is bullish. But now we can see a chart pattern formation. I've talked about this before. We can see a chart pattern formation forming here, and I told you guys that whenever you see a chart pattern formation, it's most likely to be a reversal pattern. It's most likely to be a reversal pattern. Let me show you my other class. The last video I did, I talked about this. If you watch the last video, you would understand this. You will see this same pattern. This is called a head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, these are the shoulder. Head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. It's trying to show you it's a reversal pattern. It's a very strong reversal pattern, so always take note of it. Always try to identify it on your charts. It could be at the daily, it could be at the 4 hours, it could be at the 1 hour, it could be at any time frame. It could be at any time frame. So just try to identify. So we know that okay, price is forming this chart pattern. The overall trend is bullish, but this is a reversal chart pattern. So what do? We expect a short position from this zone. So we just wait. Now we go further to the 4 hour time frame, so we can see what's going on from there. All right, so back to the 4 hours. On the 4 hours as well, we can still see, you see the trend from the 4 hours. There's a trend line formation from the 4 hours from this zone, showing you that the market is currently selling. The market is currently bearish. The trend from this side is showing that the market is currently bearish. But note, the overall trend is bullish. The overall trend, I said something in the other video. I said you can have your let me say mini trend and major trend. So this is more like the mini trend. Mini means it's another trend that's on the higher time frame that is stronger. When the trend line is from the higher time frame, it's more stronger than the ones on the lower time frame. So this is just more like 4 hours trend. It's showing you that okay, the market is bearish. The market is bearish. So what do we do next? We go further. So as you from here we can still see this chart pattern formation. You can still see this chart pattern formation. Sorry, made a mistake. Let me delete this. Sorry, let me delete this. Let me delete this. Alright, now we can see this same pattern formation, neck and shoulder formation. Now, two things are involved. We wait for price to break this neckline and we go short. We wait for price to break this neckline. This neckline, this is a neckline. You can see price moving in this zone. So we wait for price to come underneath here and we test back on this zone. Then we sell, we sell, we sell. If not, then maybe price might break this zone, but most definitely because of this overall the formal neck and shoulder pattern we saw on the daily time frame, because of the neck and shoulder pattern we saw on the daily time frame, I told you guys that whenever you see neck and shoulder pattern, just know that it's a reversal chart pattern. Because of this pattern we saw on the daily time frame, most likely price will go short. So I'm expecting price to break this neckline here, retest back on this zone, then we'll sell to this point thereabouts. Let me see. Once here, we'll sell to this point, this psychological zone. 176 star dot 00. So let's watch out how it plays out. So basically this is what it is. You can still go to your 1 hour time frame to just wait. From the 1 hour we're still waiting. So basically I'll wait until price breaks this zone. Right now price is just ranging within this zone. It's not good to trade. It's not like it's not good to trade a ranging market, but for me I prefer trading a trending market. So right now I just wait for price to break this neckline here, this underneath this zone. Once it breaks the zone, then we test back on this neckline, then I will enter my sell. I'll enter my sell. That's my confirmation for a sell on this trade. So that's what it is. This is as simple as that. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. You just have to wait. In trading, you have to be patient. You have to wait for price to get to your zone. You have to wait for price to act, then you react. So let's wait for it to break the zone. If it breaks the zone, then we test back, then definitely it's going to be a short position. But for now we just wait, because if price should break above here, which means our analysis is wrong, which means price has continued its upward trend. But obviously it should break down to this zone. Like I said, we saw a reversal chart pattern on a daily time frame, so most likely price will obey the chart pattern. Most likely price will obey this chart pattern here and go all the way down to probably this zone here, this 172.484. Right now we just wait. If price breaks down, retest, then I enter the trade. I think the risk to reward is okay. Let me check. Let me check the risk to rewards. Let me go to a 1 hour time frame. So we have, okay, if price breaks, we could enter here. We have about this ratio 5. So this, I think this is a good risk to reward. How about 5:1 risk to reward? Very nice, very okay. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be dropping more of these videos every, probably by analyzing the markets every Monday of what I'm expecting just in a pair. So I'll be uploading it so you guys could just learn how I simply do my analysis. It's not hard, it's very simple. It's just, this is what it is. Very simple.